So this is an aftermarket universal coolant tank. It's weird because the place that the coolant outlet goes is right here, which lines right up with the wheel well, and that does not work. It's forcing the hose to bend. So what I did, I got a different universal tank that actually has the outlet over here. So that's not gonna be an issue anymore. It comes with new hoses. I'm gonna set that up. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this off right here. I don't even think I need a ratchet. I'm just really hoping I don't spill coolant everywhere. And good thing about these C10s is there's so much room to just stick crap. I have so much room to work. The crap is not, oh dang it, there's a screw down there. Sorry, I'm probably gonna be on the way on this. Okay, something's zip tied, hold on. There's okay, something was zip tied. I don't know why it was, but it was. Okay, there's no room to do that. So last night I noticed a leak on it over here, and that's why, I don't know if you can see a clamp, but that's why there's a clamp on the hose. There wasn't one to begin with, so. All right, we're gonna try this. It pays to have small hands. Nope, okay, I got it. Just gonna sit that over there for the time being. Oh, that hurt my nails so bad. Okay, so there's my blank slate for this. Make sure that works. Of course, none of these freaking holes line up. You know what? I can stretch these a little bit. Ugh. So we're gonna start there, do another one right here, and we're gonna go from there. Oh, Jenna. Okay, that hole's way too big. Where did the other one go? What in the world? Alright, I'm confusing myself. There's no way that was right there. I don't know how that freaking fit. Dude, how did that fit though? Okay. So I'll just go get, I'll go get a nut later for one of these. I can't find one right now. So I'm gonna get one later. Yep, so that's how it'll go. Now I need to get the hose. I have a bunch of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one around the hose just to be safe. I just put the clamp around the hose. I need to get a nut for the back of that part to keep it in place, and then I need to real quick cut this to size. All right, I went ahead and flipped this around this way, so the burp little outlets right here and then the hose outlets right here. The way it was over here, it was really close to the battery. It was nearly touching the battery, and that just kind of makes me nervous. It may not be anything to worry about, but I may as well nip it in the bud. So I went ahead and flip-flopped it. So the burp outlet's right here, the hose is right here. I still need to secure this part with a nut and a bolt. But now what I'm going to do is cut the hose and try and figure out how I'm going to swap this without coolant going everywhere. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, since I have the hose connected, or I have the hose cut, I am going to undo this right here. A little bit of coolant came out, not that bad. And I'm going to connect the new hose to this right here. And just for the sake of being cautious, I'm going to go ahead and put a hose clamp right here as well. Probably overkill, but I'd rather do that than it leak. And like I said, I have so many of these because I had bought these before I realized I needed fuel injected clamps or fuel injection line clamps, hose clamps, whatever. Alright, cool, done. Alright, so that is hooked up now. Now I'm going to fill it with coolant and see what's going on. So hold on and I will show you once I've filled it up. That is it. That is how you replace a universal coolant reservoir or coolant tank, coolant overflow tank, whatever you want to call it. This was very, very easy and it gives you a lot of options of where to put it. So comparatively speaking, this is what I had. It was not working because the outlet was at the bottom and it was causing the hose to kink right here, which is not good. So the hose just folded and bent. I don't know how long it was that way. This doesn't look very old and this doesn't look very old, but it was definitely an issue. So we got that fixed, and that is one problem down and probably a lot more to go. So again, stay tuned for more C10 videos. There are going to be GTI videos, there are going to be E30 videos, but like I said in the last couple videos, the E30, I decided I wanted to keep stock because I mean, that's a rarity nowadays. And then with the GTI, obviously with it being my daily and stuff like that, there's not a lot that I can do to it or even want to do to it. But I definitely do have a lot more content with my club and stuff like that, my Volkswagen club. So stay tuned and I appreciate it.